I don't know how high I'll make it in this wind. This tower's actually making some scary noise, but it looks beautiful. All right, let's see what happens.
$50 degrees in February. I'm gonna do a very easy hike called Overlook. I didn't bring a full pack, but I think I'm gonna pack some extra stuff because this wind is whipping. I say whipping. Anyway, it's really brutal. So obviously I'm gonna wear a shell right off the bat, and maybe I'll pack some extra stuff in case I get wet. Because it's steep. There's no real fun to this trail. It's just straight up. So anyway, close to home and easy breezy.
Super windy, straight up ice festival, nothing but ice. It's warm, but the wind is making it a little nippy. I already got rid of my outer shell just because I start to sweat, but that's because I'm, you know, out cheap. Anyway, lots of wind, still going up. Is a very high traffic day hike area. There's a little fun side trip you can always do. This is the way up right here, but if you were to make a right here, if you took that split I mentioned earlier, you'd be popping out right here. Whoa, it's backwards. Just starting to see the ruins, and you can also kind of see the fire tower over there. So even though you're at the ruins, you're not quite there yet. Don't be stupid. cars in the lot from Jersey. I thought they were day hikers. Apparently they're not. They spent the night. It's gonna be windy up top. I'm hidden behind this rock wall. That won't last for long. Actually making some scary noise, but it looks beautiful. All right, let's see what happens. If you don't hold on today, you're going off. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's gotta be above 50. Maybe more than 50. Wow. FireTower's moving. I felt FireTowers move before, like sway or shake. That thing actually just made a little jarring movement, and for a hot second, I was not happy. All right. Don't get too close to the edge today. It's kind of hard to keep your footing. This is going to be the most wobbly video ever made.
He's a victim. Dosey dose.
Sometimes one's not enough.